been on the great song. Ooh, it's amazing that we got this far. It's like we're chasing all those stars, running in the big black cars. And every day I see the news, all the problems that we can solve. And when a situation rises, just write it into a note and say it straight to go. But I don't really like my flow, no. So tell me what you want to hear, something that would light